Hello and welcome to the kitchen table of Fusta 2005. This is my next installment in my Black Friday deals series. Today we are going to be unboxing the latest generation Echo Dots. If I haven't already mentioned it previously, I am a software tester by profession, and this is kind of the reason I'm doing this channel, is to share some of the new products that come out and the things that I buy. I'm not sponsored by anyone. All of this is paid for with my own money, so you won't be seeing anything like bend tests or drop tests or water tests, although my brand new Apple Watch supposedly is pretty waterproof, but we will do our best not to test that out. But I did get these for a good deal on Black Friday for $26 off. I have mentioned that price in one of my previous videos, I think for the Amazon recast. But this is what I was actually talking about. These usually retail for $50. I got them for a little bit over 50% off. These are the old Echo Dots. I'm sure you've seen them, but I got these for free as a part of my job, and I didn't know how I would like them. So, but I have, and so has my wife. We have one in the kitchen here, and then one in my office that I can use to turn my Xbox on and turn music on and stuff. So it actually turned out to be a pretty nifty device, and so I thought I would upgrade to the latest generation. These are the last generation, so it's the third generation, maybe second. I think Echo Dot 2. These are the Echo Dots 2s. These are the third generation ones. And as you can see, we had a black and white one, so I'm just sticking with the theme. We have a black and white, third generation one. These will get moved downstairs into the movie room, where I now have a Fire TV Stick 4K, as mentioned in one of my previous videos. So yeah, had a good experience with the last generation, so let's see what's changed on this generation. Let's start with the black one here. With everything, there's plastic on it. They also have the user-friendly strip that you just tear apart here. No scissors or sharp objects needed. I'm sure Amazon got a lawsuit or something prompting this change. Maybe they just really wanted to make things easier for us unboxers. So obviously, right off the bat, you have the Echo Dot here. Got some plastic covering it. I did look at these in Best Buy when I was there getting my iPad, and I liked the new design. That's part of the reason we got them. Yeah, so again, it has the rubber on the bottom here. Notable changes are that it has enhanced speakers. It's actually quite a bit bigger. The box itself is also bigger than the Echo Dot's previous generation. So yeah, I mean, the buttons are pretty much the same. They're a little bit set up a little bit differently as far as feel goes. These are more indented. This one's more flush. It's kind of got they both have a raised dot here, but everything is kind of got a feel to it, so you know what you're touching. These are all smooth except for the dot button, but they're all indented. These are just flush. This has one microphone on it. Let's see, I don't know if I can, there we go. It has one microphone port, and this one has 4. And the speaker is supposed to be better. Had the rubberized on the bottom. Both of them had that. Let's see the back side here. It's a different power setup. I was hoping I wouldn't have to move the cords downstairs, but yeah. So there's a different cord. This one had a micro USB, which meant everything could be plugged in. This one has a more, I think, probably a more powerful port that can handle more power. So yeah, that's the black one. I wish this. Kind of wish the speaker was black. I don't remember seeing if they had a totally black one. I know they have different colors. But I mean, if I were to get another one, it would have a darker speaker. I kind of like that design. What else is in the box here? Let's see. I got some manuals. They're pretty standard manuals on how to set up things, things to try, how to set it up here, how to plug it in. Pretty standard stuff. And get into the box a little bit more, and they have. Yeah, it's definitely a bigger power block than the previous generation. Yep, and then there's the, I don't know what port that's called, but it's definitely different. We'll see, this one's a 15 watt. The cord's right there. Let me go grab that cord really quick. Alright, so the previous generation, the ones for these, the second generation, had a USB power block, which was nice, and of course it has the micro USB. So I liked that. I'm not sure, I mean, I'm going to have, obviously this requires more power. I'm hoping that it sounds better. So this one is a 9 watt, which, you know, most USBs can handle stuff like that. You know, and even Apple products have bigger USB power blocks. So I don't know why they decided to go this route. Maybe it was just a cheaper option for them, but I did like this setup. I mean, I could have used the USB power block downstairs, but it is what it is. We'll see how it goes with it. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the black one. We'll put everything back in the box here, and we'll do the white one just to see what it looks like. It has everything the other one has in it, but you know, just in case you want to see what the white one looks like, we will go ahead and open it for you. There you go. There's the white one. Same as the black one, just a different color. Got the same buttons, same feel. Let's see. Let's compare them side by side here. Speaker is a little bit darker, so it does have the grayish speaker. So yeah, that's what those look like. Everything that's in the box compared to the last generation. And even, I mean, they're significantly smaller. The new generation is significantly bigger than the smaller last generation. So we'll test them out. I probably won't do a follow-up video. These are pretty self-explanatory. If you want to check them out, you can go into your nearest Best Buy. They should be on display. And if you want even better sound, they have the latest generation full-size Echoes But these fit with our decor a little bit more. They can hide out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll catch you guys on the next one.